Kim Woo-jin, also known mononymously as Woojin, is a South Korean singer. He was born on April 8, 1997 in Bucheon, Gyeonggi province, South Korea. He graduated from the School of Performing Arts, Seoul. He was a trainee under SM Entertainment for 1 year, where he practiced with fellow apprentices that would go on to debut as a part of NCT. Kim posted to a newly created Instagram account in January 2020 with the phrase Kim Woo-jin Restart. He held a fan meeting in May and signed with the newly formed 10X Entertainment in August as the first artist on the label's roster. Ahead of his solo record, Kim issued the pre-debut digital single Still Dream on July 8, 2021. His debut mini album The Moment, a minor, and its lead single Ready Now were released on August 8. Fans of Woojin and the group as a whole seemed a touch disappointed, though they were all very supportive of Woojin on his new chapter in his life. It remains to be seen if he has any interest in rejoining the group or becoming a solo artist once his unspecified personal issues have been addressed. On October 11, 2017, Kim was unveiled as the JYP Entertainment trainee. He competed in men's reality survival show Stray Kids to become a member of the record label's forthcoming boy group Stray Kids as a vocalist. In midst of the competition, the group made the single Elevator available via digital music stores on November 1st. The 9-member lineup was confirmed in the final episode of the reality show, and Stray Kids released their pre-debut mini-album mixtape fronted by Bear on January 8, 2018. Their official debut mini-album I Am Not and its lead single District 9 were released on March 26, 2018. He was one of the most popular until he left the group. Woojin still retains significant popularity since he left the boy band. Woojin stayed out of the spotlight for a bit after leaving the band. However, he did re-enter the fold. He's recently talked about what he has been doing since he left the band.